Hello YouTube, and we're back with another video on Roblox. And yeah, we're just gonna play some jailbreak. By the way, there's a new Aquaman event. Okay, so jailbreak. By the way, there's new ambulances. There's a new city designed from the underground up. So what happened was, in the live event, the city sank. Yeah, and then the city came back up in another form. Well, I might be able to show you guys, I don't know. Oh, sorry, this is my new clothes, I don't like it. I might show you guys, so let me just do one thing. It's funny. So do this, or this, or this. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so oops. Alright, so to go into a private server, so to see the thing, I have to go into a private server. Well, I don't have my own private server, but I have friends. Good friends. So let's go on a private server. No one's in it, unfortunately. But I don't know if it'll work. The city is sinking. Let's just hope it'll work. Wait, what? I'm on a private server. How? My voice is a little bit deep, I know. Well, sorry, but you have to deal with it. Yeah, by the way, shout out. Yeah, so let's do this, boy. Okay. So guys, right, I'll be back. And
what are you talking to?
So guys, and we'll be back. So guys, I just found out that the city sinking thing is gone. Yes, unfortunately it is. That's a big bummer, but hey, you know what? Let me just show you around. So here is the new ambulance. You go in the back, then it heals you. Yo. Bruh. What's happening? Okay. That was a bit messed up, but alright.
It was a bit.
The garage is still the same, but have you noticed anything different? There's a new city. Here, look. Let me show you how the old city looked. Let me bring it up. So this is how the old city looked, as you can see. Look at the bank and everything. Now let me show you how the new city looks. And this is how the Roblox new city looks. So from that, compared to this, are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So from this compared to this, which one do you like better? Please tell us in the comment below. Okay, so let's go on the jewelry store. Okay. As you can see, I'm a very good driver. I've got my license already. Don't worry, don't worry. And yeah. And I am really good at jailbreak. I can like do anything, I never die.
Are you
Like-
dying?
I'm like the best at jailbreak.
Look, it says your life.
Like, look at this. How good I am. Look how strong I am. Man, look at this dude. Well, I am the strongest in jailbreak.
Bruh. Go. Because isn't it you love watching my play Minecraft?
So, yeah. Okay, guys. The video is about to end just after I rob the jewelry store.
No, you always take that long to do so. Look, see.
So, guys, sorry for the technical difficulties.
Go, go, go.
Alright, so as you can hear, I've added some weird sound effects here. Alright, now let's go.
Okay, guys, let's drive. Okay, let's go.
And that's the funniest meme ever. You guys should check it out. Alright, guys, as I told you,
Yeah.
the video is gonna end now. See you next time in another video, and peace out, boy. 2, 1, 0.